Okay guys, this is going to be the tutorial for Quizlet for apps. It's going to be the same like in the computer. You are going to have a link that I'm going to send you. In this case I copy and paste it on WhatsApp, but anyways, you copy and paste it, you click on the link and you will go to the app. This is the app. You are going to sign up for free. Just like in the computer, you will choose your Google account and you are going to click to join class once you finished. You click in there and then you can see the members, how many members are they, and the units. In this case, this is the unit you saw on the computer. Adjectives, the ones who are above are the flashcards. To practice, you can see the concept and you can see the term. You have different options like learn. You click on learn and you will see like the same as you saw on the computer. You can make configurations. You can have different options from the audio and other elements. You will have a multiple choice. You will select the choice according to the concept. Sometimes it's going to give you the term, sometimes it's going to give you the concept, and you have to change from one to another. Then you are going to continue to other places. For example, the flashcards. When you get started, you click on the flashcards to see the concept of the term, and if you swipe to the left, you are going to practice, okay, the concept. But if you swipe to the right, it's going to be completely different. Let me show you what happens. If I swipe to the right, it means that I understood the word, so I won't have to practice it anymore. Then you will have right. For example, you only have to write the term, like I am doing here. Write right, and I click on the submit. But if I don't click and I submit, you will see the answer and it's going to tell you what you have to study, what you have to practice. Then you can go to match, for example. Just as in the computer, you will have some time and you have to match the concept with the term, such as in the computer, but you have to be quickly in order to have a high score. The more you take, the less points you're going to have. Then finally you will have the test. The test is like a quiz, but it's a quiz for yourself to practice. You will have a multiple choice and other elements. You go down and you can see the whole vocabulary from the unit. You can hear also the audio of the terms.
Opposite of dark.
And you will see each element highlighting on yellow. It tells you that the audio is talking about that. You can store them. Okay, those stars means favorites. Okay, concept that you think there are favorites. And those are going to be the elements.